Lucas,
Yes?
what does he have in his blood?
There's an old story. It tells of the Prima Macula. The alchemist said it was the first corruption, and that it silently travels in the blood of certain families. But something happened. The Great Break. And the macula awoke. In Hugo's blood.
But what will it do to him?
The macula cares for neither good nor evil. It evolves with its host. To change things. The world. You know, your mother and Laurentius were trying to help your brother.
But they failed.
No. I think they just ran out of time. This is it.
Hugo, wake up. Come on, we'll walk from here. It'll warm you up.
If we follow the aqueduct, we should arrive at Chateau d'Ambrage before nightfall.
What's that noise?
Nothing. It's just frogs, Hugo.
Frogs!
He seems well.
Let's keep our fingers crossed.
Froggy, Froggy! There are so many!
Aren't you cold?
Look!
A little,
They're everywhere!
yes.
Hugo doesn't seem to mind.
Jump, jump, jump!
He's keeping himself warm.
Yes. But he's too far for my liking. Hugo, where are you going? Hugo!
Hey, look! I'm a knight!
An English shield. Where did you find it?
Over there, lying on the ground.
Listen, Hugo. Put that down. It's not for children.
Oh, you're no fun.
Come on, let's go.
Do you smell that?
Oh, it stinks.
Yes, it's horrible.
Amicia, Lucas, come quick, look!
Oh my god.
Are they all dead?
We can't carry on.
Amicia, we have to follow the aqueduct.
Oh my goodness.
Amicia, do we have to walk on them?
I know, Hugo. But we don't have a choice.
Do you think we are hurting them?
Just keep moving, Hugo. Come on.
Smell. It's unbearable.
I feel sick.
Don't look. Concentrate on the aqueduct. Ugh. The horse. Lucas?
I don't know.
Oh no! The rats! Keep away from them!
Amicia, they're everywhere. Hundreds of them.
I don't believe it.
people over there.
We are Khazan's soldiers.
We have to get out of here.
What were they doing?
Those were looters, looking for things to steal.
But why?
To survive, probably.
We'll never get through. We need fire.
Amicia, there's some wood down there. But there's rats everywhere.
Could you help me with this?
All right. We can't hold it back for long.
Hugo, you're going to have to go through.
Yes, yes.
Be careful.
I did it! I made it!
Good. Now come back.
There you go.
Ow, my arms.
Well done, you two.
Hey, what's that? Who's over there?
Into the grass, quickly. He mustn't see us.
Amicia, his lantern.
I understand.
He's coming.
What's that? Huh?
Oh, Lord. It's horrible.
But it worked. There are too many rats. We're stuck.
Like them looting bastards.
This should make things a little easier. Come on, get up there.
Very well.
I'll go first.
Right now. Oh no, soldiers!
We need to push.
Let me help.
Mind you don't get burnt.
The wheels are stuck in the mud.
We'll have to leave it here. Come on.
What the hell are you doing? Hold him still.
Oh, this is proper horrible.
Come on, I just want his teeth.
Yeah, but still.
We need to pass below the aqueduct, monsieur.
Anyway.
But the rats are everywhere. Shh.
Yeah.
We'll find a way.
You're right.
Over there, a torch.
I might have a chance if I go alone.
Yeah, shit. It won't
Stay
work.
here.
All right.
Want me to try?
Unbelievable. I can't fucking
Why don't you
stand
try a
these
different
rodents.
They're all over
You've
the
got
place.
nothing better to do than muck around with a corpse. Finally! Christ.
All that for that? What are you going to do with it now?
Well, I'll have to think about that.
The coast is clear.
I'm coming.
Come on, climb up.
Yes. Alicia. They've got sticks in their dummies.
Don't look. Come on, inside, quickly.
Help me!
Alicia, there's someone over there.
Oh no.
Alicia, he's trapped.
Come on!
We have
for
to
me.
keep moving.
Get me out! Go! About time!
Oh no.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Stop! You saved me. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You won't give the alert, will you?
The alert? No. No. I'll be hanged if I knew. Let you. Go ahead. I didn't say anything.
Good. Oh no. The torch.
We'll do without it, Amicia. There's a soldier. He's blocking the way.
I don't see any other way. Damn.
We don't have a choice. We'll have to take him by surprise. Here, take this.
What do you want me to do with this stuff?
Somnum. You see, mix them together.
Like this?
Perfect. Now you're going to crush it on his face.
Are you serious? Lucas? Well, I hope you know what you're doing. Wait there. I'll be back soon.
All right. I'll stay here. Is he asleep?
Yes, for a while.
Thank you. This is going to save our lives.
a machine.
This one seems a bit different.
Will that move?
I'll try.
I'm going to drop it. Look out! Think you can do this? Go in, Hugo. That's it. Can you do it?
Yes.
We did it. Hugo did the hard part.
I just want us to get out of here.
Me too. Come on. Let's go.
We're going to go under it.
Just have to be careful.
The cart. It's held by a chain.
Get ready. We're going to have to stay in the light. Let's go. Let's go.
We're not holding it back.
No, run.
I'm not sure about this.
It's working for now.
All right. It worked.
Hey, what did I just say?
I'll help you up.
I can't. Monsieur, I don't feel well.
What's the matter?
My head.
The macula. He's afraid. We have to get out of here. Hugo. Hugo. Think of the frogs. Remember how they jumped? You were chasing them. Come on, let's go and see some more.
Yes, we have to get out of here, Amicia.
We will. This place can't go on forever, right? There's an awful lot of them.
But we don't have a choice.
Courage, lads. I know you're tired. I know there's not enough of us. And I definitely know we'd all like to get far, far away from these fucking rats. But these are our boys. They gave their lives for England. What if it were you? You'd want a decent burial, wouldn't you? Wouldn't you? Come on then! Guyenne is ours! That was a noise, right? I reckon it was. No one there.
Amicia, I'm very tired.
Look, there are trees again. I think we're getting to the end.
Finally.
Where'd you come from? You alone?
Watch out.
Say something, arsehole.
That's my sister, you bastard. Now let us go.
You'll never see us again. I swear.
Not a chance. Where I come from, we execute looters on the spot.
What do we...
Hey, what about them? You're just gonna let them go?
What? Hey!
Now! Soldiers, there's trouble over here. Let's get out of here.
We're following them.
There! They're running away!
Hugo! Run!